Hello everyone, it's Michael Green. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I make my green smoothies. I can't believe it's been over 10 years since I last made the green smoothie video back in, I guess, 2014. So in any event, I'm going to show you how I'm making my green smoothies. Nowadays, I've been actually using this recipe for the last couple of months, and I have to tell you, besides tasting great and being extremely good for you, it's helped me take off 10 pounds, which I feel a whole lot better. But without further ado, I'm going to get started, and I'm going to show you exactly, step by step, no steps skipped. You're going to see exactly what I put into my green smoothies, exactly how I make it, how much I make, and all that good fun stuff. So, okay, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take and get some Greek yogurt, and we're going to put about 2 heaping tablespoons full of Greek yogurt. So we're going to get started with that. And if I can get my beautiful assistant to pass me a tablespoon. Thank you, beautiful assistant. By the way, the beautiful assistant back there is my wife, Laura, and she is beautiful, and she has done a tremendous job in helping us make this video. So my hat's off to her and my sincere thanks. All right, so let's give this a stir. And with the Greek yogurt, you'll find that you have a little bit of water that kind of settles in at the top, but I'm just going to go for 2 big tablespoons. Okay, so you can see about what we've gotten in there. Okay, that looks good, and that's about what we want to start with. Okay, next thing on the list is my new favorite thing. It's called cinnamon. Now we get this at Costco also. It's a Saigon cinnamon. I never knew that there was a difference in cinnamons, but it's a Saigon cinnamon, and you can see about how much I'm putting in there. Hopefully you can see how much I'm putting in there. But I'm going to add some cinnamon in there. My next favorite thing. Let me get the lid back on my yogurt here. My next favorite thing is walnuts. Now walnuts, besides tasting good, they are very good for you. It's a healthy fat. So I've got about 8-10 walnuts right there. So we're going to add those into our shake. Next is the whey powder. Now, what type of protein powder that you want to add is up to you. The only thing that I can suggest with a green smoothie is that you not use anything that is a chocolate. So you want to stick with something. This is vanilla ice cream. The one that I used to use was a vanilla flavored also, but vanilla does very well. But this is 1 scoop of the protein powder, so I'm going to add that to my green smoothie. Okay. Now, next thing we're going to add is our frozen ingredients. I'm going to have to step out of the camera here for just a second, but we're going to add 2 cups of frozen spinach. We're going to add 2 cups of my new favorite food. Matter of fact, let me just show you. I just bought a brand new bag yesterday, and Costco has started carrying this. It's Church Brothers Farm Superfood Veggie Slaw, and it's excellent to put into your green smoothies because it's got the ingredients of broccoli, carrots, kale, Brussels sprouts, and red cabbage. But it's already chopped up. There's no salt or anything that's been added to it. It's just the veggies, and it does great. So we're going to add a couple of cups of that. We're also going to add, excuse me, I'll be right back. So this is the frozen veggies that I was just talking about. This is the 2 cups of frozen spinach. And by the way, if you are like me and you buy the big bags of spinach at Costco, put it in the freezer. That works terrific because if you put a huge bag of spinach in the refrigerator, you feel compelled that you have to eat it within the next 24 or 48 hours or it goes bad. It does go bad. So by putting it in the freezer, you can use it anytime that you're ready. So that's just a little tip from me to you. Next thing is, or what I'm going to add now is a little piece of frozen cucumber. This is a quarter piece of a Meyer lemon. Meyer lemons are in season right now, and our good friend and neighbor gave us several Meyer's lemons last week, and I cut them up, put them in the freezer, and it's a good source of vitamin C. And by the way, you'll notice that we have the skin on it. Don't take the skin off. That's where your best nutrients and vitamins are. So you know what? Just give it a good wash and use it like that. Speaking of washing it and using it like that, the avocado, same principle. Don't be afraid to blend up the avocado skin. Now, I wouldn't recommend that you eat it just by itself, but in your green smoothie, you'll never notice it. And it gives you a lot of good vitamins and nutrients. So here we go. We're putting in avocado, cucumber, Meyer lemon. We're going to put in our 2 cups of spinach. You'll have to forgive me. That's stuck to the side there. And last but not least, our 2 cups of our veggie slaw mix. Just like that. And as you can see, I hope you can see, look at all the stuff in the Vitamix. Okay, we've got it packed full of green stuff. Okay, now to that we're going to add between 2 and 3 cups of water. I tend to go with a little bit more water, about 3 cups. I've got almost 3 cups here. Let me add just a little bit more. The reason why you don't want to be too afraid with the water is because everything here is frozen, and when we put it in the Vitamix, it's going to work really hard getting this stuff broken down. But I think what you're going to find is that it's going to be very delicious, very creamy. It's just going to be great. You'll see. Okay, so here we go. We're going to add our water. And it's time to start blending. Now, the Vitamix is going to be loud. I'll let you know that right up front. So we're going to fire it up, but you're going to be able to see it in action. I'm also going to point out with my finger as it chops and begins to pull the product down into the vortex there. You know, the Vitamix is just, there's nothing else like it. So it's going to work really hard. We're going to run it for about a minute, and it's going to be great. So here we go. Now with Vitamix, you want to make for sure that you got your lid on. You always want to flip this switch first, which is the power switch. And then this has the adjustable rate here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to slowly increase the speed up, and then we're going to kick on to high, and it's really going to start blending. So here we go. Making smoothies. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? My wife is in the background. She's showing me where you can see it, where you can't. Hopefully you can see this. This is just beautiful. You know what? It's time to pour a glass. So here we go. Hopefully, can you see this? Sweetie?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right. Check with the boss there. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. It's beautiful. It's creamy. It makes a lot. Let me get a straw out of our drawer. And right there you go. Oh, that tastes great. Okay, so you get a little bit of the tartness from the Meyer lemon. You get all the good stuff from the whey protein, all the good stuff from the green veggies. You drink this and it will improve your life. It'll help you lose weight. You won't go hungry, and I guarantee you that that you'll enjoy it. Anyway, that's how I make my green smoothies. I hope you enjoy the video. Sorry for me rambling on, but you know, that's what I do. So anyway, thank you very much. God bless you. Happy New Year.